Hello, my name is Hannes Ellmeier, and I want to show you in this video several possibilities to define contours and make parallel contours and something like this. I start with a line and I define a start point. With the control command I can enforce horizontal and vertical contours and lines. With the shortcut E, I can automatically snap to an endpoint, and now I have two lines. Well, now I can use the parallels element, and I click here and I click here. So I created two lines, and these two lines I have to cut away in this way. Another possibility is I can group these two objects, and now I get a contour starting point. I double click this point, and with the magic points I can define as well a different starting point. So I have this result, for example. Another good alternative is to define working lists. Well, I can go to the info side and I can define a working list. Maybe I make a new working list, 1001, and I can define here steps I want to adjust. I want to assign two working steps, and now I can define here the tool, and besides I can define an offset. Okay, and now I want to assign this value 1001 here, and the post-processor will generate a program like this. You can see it in the preview. Because the post-processor will work with the first cutter, and then he will use the second cutter, and therefore we have without much work maybe a very good result. With only one contour we can make several steps. In order to see this preview, I assigned a demo machine, the standard tutorial, and with this machine I have a preview like this, a simulation. And there you can see how it works.